Wilmington is a port city in North Carolina, and my favorite places to visit are downtown, the historic district, and the Riverwalk. Each rich with colonial history, culture, and packed full of southern charm. Hey everyone, this is Erwina with eXp Realty and Real Coastal Life. In this video, I'm going to show you what downtown Wilmington looks like. Let's check it out. Best American Riverfront in 2014 by USA Today readers, the Riverwalk runs along the downtown portion of the Cape Fear River for nearly 2 miles. Enjoy the stunning sunset views, eclectic shops, art gallery, and many wonderful restaurants along the way. And make sure to watch until at the end of this video because I will show you many favorite places to eat along the Riverwalk and point out some of the downtown restaurants that have delicious foods offering worthy of every bite. And of course, real estate and the crime rate. Right now, downtown area near the Riverwalk is under major construction. River Place has been built, a combination of modern luxury apartments, grocery, and shopping center. Toward the north end, an exciting new houseboat community project is underway. This will have 75 houseboats moored at the Port City Marina, creating a mini neighborhood right on the river. There is so much to see and do in downtown Wilmington. There is no surprise so many visitors fall in love and become residents. If you want to know more about living in Wilmington, call us today at 910-508-6208. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.